Ever happened to you, sitting to study, but mind's wandering off to Goa beaches, or trying to sleep, and old memories playing like a movie? Our mind's like an uncontrollable horse. If you don't rein it in, it'll throw you off. Solution: 4 power steps. Be the witness. Stop fighting thoughts. When they come, just observe. Say, okay, I'm thinking this now. Watch them lose power. 2. Focus on breath. Mind and breath are connected. Do 5 minutes of deep breathing daily. When mind wanders, bring it back to breath. 3. Live in the now. Mind either in past or future. Try 5 4 3 2 1 technique. 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, 1 thing you taste. 4. Routine and discipline. Empty mind's devil's playground. Plan your day. Give your mind work, or it'll find wrong work. Tip: cut social media, meditate 10 minutes daily, sleep 7 to 8 hours.